Well, going up all this well. So today's video is going to be on Queen Lady Gangsta, and she's currently residing in England. For those who don't know who she is, she went viral probably 2 years ago, I want to say, when she said she's a shoplifter, she not stop thief. And, you know, she proud for thief for England, and, you know, from the dancehall scene and etc. And then from there, she went viral again when she and her boyfriend, that's a Shed Kruger, one bag of mix up. I don't really feel like doing that, but no, she cause and I think Queen, you know, let me tell you, when you become a social media, what them call them, sensation, you learn how to troll, you know, when and when. I think she herself know it's not Instagram that call her. I think she know that's a legit scam. You know, one of them scammer Indian something. I think she know it's one of that. And just to keep it going, she just do what she do best and tell them which part them can come do what them need for do. So check it out.
Girl. Lord, people them block my life for nudity. I mean, I watch my live last night and so much in people stripping at two strings. But that's how the world is, my dear. You always get the strongest fucking survivor, the strongest people always get the most fight. Them block my life. But me still got my life. Me still a double tap without going per Instagram.
Quarantine double tap.
Quarantine double tap on a can't stop this. When I'm saying I come back live, the 23rd of April.
And you get reported for nudity.
For nudity. But me have a clothes and stocking. I mean, I watched a man live last night with over 40,000 people and them a strip. Them fucking buyers, so no fuck off.
Double tap, girl.
Hey, talk to me nice. Come my pussy clean, come my pussy fat. Send my pussy clean, send my pussy clean, send my pussy fat.
Yeah.
Send my pussy clean, get out. You block my page on your Instagram. And you call me for tell me say you block my page?
Ma'am, I don't understand what you're saying.
You understand? Me say Instagram, if I you and you come block my page, come one flicking on me, come summer saucing on me, come deep whining like queen. Cause you can't stop me from the double tap. On the block my page and I call me and tell me son to block my page. Eh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you for blocking the queen space, but you can't block my voice. How about fucking that? I feel like hear my voice by
I will remove your account off Instagram.
Pardon?
If you keep on threatening, I will remove your account.
Well, remove my fucking account now and fuck off. Your Instagram come broke on the neck underneath me. Fuck off and you not pay me. Fuck off that woman. You know if I want me reach 100K and you not give me a double ticket, move on the pussy wall Instagram. Fuck off. Go like I not pay me. Talk to me nice. You saw them out there?
Yeah. Bad mind.
But them block my page because somebody report them. She blocked my page and you call me. That's not Instagram.
That is not Instagram.
Well, I'm glad somebody vice did it. Wish you no luck, cause I can't. Who this on the phone? But even I forgot to say you did it. Rachel, give me 1 minute. How much minute that gone?